Hi everyone! Today I want to share a little art activity that I've been doing with my daughter, and it's turned out to be a fun and meaningful way to introduce her to the world of Dutch and Flemish painting. Now, I must admit, the old masters can feel a bit intimidating at first. Their works are often highly detailed, very serious, and let's be honest, not always the easiest to turn into a light, kid-friendly art session. But I found a simple trick that really works. It makes these classic paintings accessible and fun, even for young kids. And today we're doing it with a portrait by Frans Hals called The Boy, which you can find in the Mounted House Museum, Netherlands. Here's how we do it, step by step. Step 1. Print out the painting you want to use. Step 2. Grab a sheet of tracing paper and trace over the image. This is always such a fun moment for kids. They love revealing their own version when the paper comes off. It's a mix of art and magic. Step 3. Start painting. We usually go from lighter colors to darker ones. It's easiest to build up tones that way, and it gives them a bit of structure without being too rigid. And that's it. Once the painting is dry, we displayed it in our living room. It's a beautiful way to celebrate both our history and your child's creativity. We've done this with several paintings now, and every time it brings joy, learning and sense of pride. Plus it makes for some truly special family memories. Thanks for watching, and if you try this out, let me know how it goes.